Collecting badges and medals won't make you a real COBOL programmer. Take Pacta Cobol training instead.
Learning COBOL is not just about collecting badges. You want to learn COBOL programming, and like many others, you may have already taken a few online courses. The result? You accumulate badges, virtual medals, sometimes even certificates. You proudly share them on social media. But here's the problem. Mastering COBOL doesn't come from ticking boxes or completing a few quizzes. Just like any language, whether spoken or programming, it is regular practice that helps you progress and become truly proficient. This is exactly where Pacta Cobol training makes the difference. It goes beyond impersonal videos or overly long and discouraging texts. Our courses are designed to guide you step by step with simple explanations, accessible even if you have no prior programming experience, practical exercises so you can apply what you learn right away, a progressive methodology that prevents you from getting lost in technical details, clear materials, easily translatable into any language, making them internationally accessible. With Pacta, the goal is not to collect virtual trophies, but to give you the ability to actually write, understand, and run your first COBOL programs. Are you a beginner in IT and want to learn a language still widely used in banks, insurance, and major companies? Discover Pacta Cobol training, a beginner-friendly method that takes you from theory to practice and from discovery to independence. Visit cobol.pacta.com website.